Hello everyone, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel which is Tech Tutored. So in this video we are going to create, connect and delete a virtual machine. Before going to start, things should be known what is subscription and what is resource group. You can read it later. This is most important thing which everyone should know about it. So this is my this is my blogging website, and I have already mentioned all these steps to complete this task. So in first I have mentioned the create virtual machine, then we will configure the networking, then connect virtual machine, and then in the last we will delete the our virtual machine. So let's get started. So this is the Azure portal. I have already logged in, and just in blocks search virtual machine. So you will get a virtual machine, and here we have to click on create virtual machine, and this is what I was talking about subscription and resource group. So I have already selected the uh, subscription, and in resource group I have already created resource group. If you haven't created yet, then just click on create new, write your virtual machine name. So this is my first machine I have noted down. So is region is central India, availability zone, selected availability zone, security type is trusted, and image is I'm going to use Ubuntu server 24. If you want different one, then you can just click on drop down and select whatever you want. Select the VM architecture and just leave it as default. Here is the mandate option is size. So I'm going to do a demonstration purpose. So I have selected free service eligible instance B1. If you want different one, you can just click on drop down and select whatever in size instance size you want. Just click on it, and here we have the two types of authentication: SSH public key and password. So password is a very simple mechanism, so we will go for the SSH public key. This is the recommended option. So the username will be Azure user. Even you can change your machine username here, so I am just leaving as default. SSH public key, I'm just creating new one, and this is the new one my first. So this will my SSH key pair, and in inbound rule, as currently we will allow SSH and HTTP both of the port, and here you can click on review and create. It will create automatically if you want to leave all the option as default as. Otherwise you can click on next disk, so it will jump on the next page. So here is the disk option. You can define disk as per your requirement, and here is a networking section. Here you can see the virtual network and public IP and NIC group and all other things. So I'm going to leave it as default these sections, and in management you can see more options, but as of now I don't require all these options. I'm just going to create a fresh instance. So in monitoring and advanced section, here is a custom data which is uh, cell scripting box. Whatever scripting command you will be mentioning here, after during the creation of your instance, these commands will be executed automatically. And this is tags and review and create. So this is our final steps: review and create. Just click on it. Okay, so it will take minimum 1 to 2 minutes to complete validation, and then just click on create. So we haven't downloaded the key, so it is asking us to download private key. So I have downloaded on my local system. So as you can see in notification tab, the deployment is in progress and it will take 4 to 5 minutes to be completed. So just wait until it. So my deployment is completed. So what we will do, we will just click on the Microsoft Azure, and here we will click on virtual machine. So this is our machine which is created, and just click on the machine name. Here you will get a section, right? So this is the virtual machine dashboard. Here you can see the public IP address of your instance and the operating system which we are using, size which we are using, this one. So now we will use a connect. We will try to connect our EC2 instance. Just click the public IP address and go to your local system. So this is my local system. I'm just going to access it through get bash. So this is my login terminal. So here you can see this is my SSH key, my first spam. So first of all, we have to provide it some Linux permission, chmod 400, and then the file name. And after that, what we need, just type ssh hyphen I for file name, and then user Azure user, and then at the rate, and then paste the password. No, I think it is not copied. Just go again, copy the IP address and paste it. Okay, enter. Okay, so the machine has been connected. So I am in the machine, inside the machine of Azure machine. So we have successfully connected. So I'm using Windows operating system. So that is why I am using the Git bash. If you are using the Linux environment, then you can easily do the SSH command by the Linux terminal. So now we have connected, and the second option, we can connect the machine by this Azure console. Just click on the connect and then again connect. So there are the two options. One is recommended SSH using Azure CLI. Just click on it, select, and it will ask you for the validation, and it will take quite seconds. Just click on the understand and configure and connect. I have successfully connected the Azure console, and just be patient. It this process take some minutes. So we have successfully connected by the Azure CLI as well. And let's go back to our website. So we have completed this first step, second step, and connect virtual machine, make SSH connection, and then use Azure console. Now in the fourth and final step, delete the virtual machine. So let's go to the Azure console. Here again, we have to click on the virtual machine section, and then just click on your virtual machine. And here you will see the delete option. Just click on the delete button and apply for the force delete. This is optional, and these are the associate resources. This disk, intern network interfaces, and public IP address. Just click on it and select, and just click on delete. And also, guys, if you will, like, if you face any issues during creation of your virtual machine, or you will have any additional requirement, just drop a comment on the comment section. I promise you to, I will reply and respond your messages within 10 minutes, because I much active in the YouTube. So also I will share my this technical blog link on the YouTube description. This is completely for DevOps engineers. You can see AWS and Azure and other Docker, Kubernetes and Terraform stuffs I have mentioned there. So thank you. Just subscribe my YouTube channel and keep supporting me. Thank you.